It's time to cut my beard short.
I recently got asked this. How many likes to shave the beard? I'm the bearded dragon, but here's what I'll do. I will trim it short, down right on the skin. My chin's right here, I have a small face. If this video can get 1,000 likes, 1,000 comments, 1,000 shares. There's no way it's getting that. I'm good.
I can't believe y'all got that so fast. But okay, it's go time. I'm gonna put a before and after picture at the end. Let me know which one you like better, with the full beard or very short beard. Wow, that's a lot of hair. If you guys don't like it, don't worry, my beard grows back very fast. I'll be back in a couple weeks. I still kept it, it's just a little shorter, maybe a lot shorter.